Thank you, Pooja. It's so exciting to be here reviewing this amazing television with the one and only Rajiv Masni.
Thank you, Sanjana, but I'll tell you why for me it's a very special day. One, I'm doing this with you. And two, for us tech reviewers, what do we look for in tech? We look for something dramatically different, the best. We look for something which is a total game changer. And this is a game changer.
Right? I mean, I can't believe the picture quality, honestly. It's every color, every detail. It's so vivid and so clear. I'm just in love.
Yes, you're absolutely right. And that's Quantum Matrix Technology Pro at work. Look, the Neo QLED 8K display is made up of extremely small quantum mini LEDs that are 40 times, yes, you heard me right, 40 times smaller than conventional LEDs. And that means compared to a conventional television, the display on a Neo QLED 8K is made up of 33 times more quantum mini LEDs packed in together. And that creates the brightest picture, revealing every hidden detail with vivid colors, a super sharp contrast. Just check it out.
It's so bright and so clear that I might honestly feel like it's the brightest TV I've ever seen, because every color is standing out, and I feel like while watching a film on this TV, it'll be exactly how the directors kind of envisioned it.
Absolutely. And this is how the brilliant Quantum Matrix Technology Pro works. And along with this amazing viewing experience, you need an equally powerful surround sound, right?
Yeah, I mean, great picture always needs great sound, right?
Absolutely. And what you get is a premier immersive audio experience on the Neo QLED 8K with Dolby Atmos. It creates a truly remarkable experience with top, side, and bottom channel speakers for a jaw-dropping multi-dimensional spatial sound. And to talk more about Dolby Atmos on the Neo QLED 8K, we've got Ashim from Dolby Laboratories.
The 2022 Neo QLED TVs deliver a truly remarkable Dolby Atmos experience thanks to the addition of Samsung's new top channel speakers. Dolby Atmos provides multi-dimensional sound with incredible clarity that allows you to hear details you have never heard before. It creates an engaging listening experience that connects you more deeply with your favorite entertainment and make you feel like you are inside the story with rich, expansive sound that flows all around you and reveals every detail.
And does this TV look good or what?
So glad you brought that up. This TV is an absolute looker. It's built on Samsung's Infinity One design language. The Infinity screen on the Neo QLED 8K is minimal and beautiful in form. It gives you this slim, bezel-less design with minimized black edges for a truly immersive viewing experience. Well, all the cable and wire clutter has been dealt with rather smartly with that very slim One Connect box out there. It keeps the Neo QLED 8K setup neat and clutter-free. For you, this TV, the Neo QLED 8K, is actually a gamer's delight. It's a monster gaming screen in the disguise of a TV. The Motion Accelerator Turbo Pro on the Neo QLED 8K lets you experience butter smooth, lag-free gaming with up to 144 Hz variable refresh rate. Have a look.
And then there's the super ultra-wide game view and Game Bar 2.0.
I'm delighted to announce our special limited period launch offers. With every purchase of the Neo QLED 4K, you get a Neo Slim Fit camera worth rupees 8,900 free. And that's not all, especially for all of you. With the Neo QLED 8K, you don't just get the Neo Slim Fit camera, but also the world's first 11.1.4 channel soundbar HWQ990B worth 149,900, that is 1,49,900 rupees, totally free. Connect with the loved ones, take office meetings, ace online fitness sessions with the Neo Slim Fit camera, and enjoy the immersive cinematic experience with the HWQ990B soundbar. And now, let me show you the Neo QLED 8K and 4K lineup for 2022.
Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. Really some amazing launch offers there, and of course befitting such an amazing TV. And remember everyone that these offers last only till the 30th of April. Well, with that we come to the end of this launch.